I found this tag at the Dollar Tree. It really is just a piece of cardboard, and I'm taking some sandpaper and sanding all the little sparkles and raised area off. I'm taking my Kling-On F30 and some Mandarina by Wise Owl and giving my first coat. This is why I just love Wise Owl. The coverage is just amazing. You can find any paint and brushes at chalkitupfancy.com. Now, while the Mandarina is still wet, I grab deep turquoise and I'm adding that to my project. Once that was dry, I took this compass stencil from Folk Art. I can provide a link if anybody needs one. And I'm adding some joint compound with a plastic spackle knife. You want to get it on, and then you want to kind of get all the excess back off. And when you lift, it just... I took a blow dryer and did dry it quite quickly. It's a very thin layer. I found this seahorse at Dollar General for $1. And I wanted to change him to the deep turquoise as well. Just using a small art brush. Nothing fancy. So I had this bag of sand dollars. If you're in the Dollar General, they have sacks full of shells. And basically, I really wanted the bag that it came in. And I took some popsicle sticks to help me glue this down on the other side. And I can clean that up later. So I glued my seahorse. I found this little starfish. I don't really remember where I got it. I think possibly Michael's. But again, Dollar General does have a bag of different shells and things like that. And I'm just starting to do some mixed media. This driftwood is in the section that you would get the vase fillers. That too, I believe I got at Dollar General. Now, cardboard is a great use in mixed media for lifting things, and I needed to put this watch so that it kind of was level with the seahorse, so it kind of overlapped. And it just gives you texture. And the watch is just a little plastic thing I got in the embellishment section at Hobby Lobby. And these little gems also were in Dollar General in the vase filler department. And they're just little clear gem beads that I glued randomly around. And these little blue paper embellishment flowers I thought were a nice add. I'm taking some silver gilding wax and just applying it randomly throughout my project. On the shell, on the paper. It's very easy to apply, and around the edges of it, just to pull everything together. Now I had these little paper signs. This is Smell the Sea. And I decoupaged that to the driftwood at the top. And then I took another little piece of driftwood and put it at the bottom. Top one says Smell the Sea. The bottom one says Feel the Breeze. And I'm using my Wise Owl varnish and a foam brush. You can use Mod Podge, that works just as well. And then glued that to my project. I'm adding a new string of jute, as I did get paint on the original one. And there you go. Now, just to make the back a little neater, I took a piece of black felt. This is optional. You're not going to see the back. And I cut it to fit and then just glued it to the back to give a nice clean look. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more tutorials, you can go check us out on YouTube. And all paint products and brushes can be found at chalkitupfancy.com. Thank you so much for watching.